So nje mfethu umuntu njengoba ngithethe impilo inzima, but ke mfethu kunjalo ngivule i-organization esibiza nge-Liberty Youth Empowerment. So inhloso yami kwe-organization leyo ukuthi since mfethu ijele ngilazi in different ways and I've been to prison gangster and so forth. Let me try by all means because ngibuke ukuthi nakumina kuqale umuntu esafunda, and if wayeba khona bebe umuntu wayengahlezi nami eqhamuka now and then esichazela ngecrime ukuthi what is happening mhlambe, and mawuzokhumbula ngisakhula ngake ngakutshela ukuthi mina benginganayo ibackbone ukuthi ungakwenza ukuthi you understand, but ngokuhlakanipha izinto eziright bekiphi phela zona along the way. So into ebengiyihlosile ngale organization ukuthi ngihambele izikole ngichazele izingane ngobugebengu obuhlukahlukene, ngichazele izingane ngobungozi bama drugs, ngichazele izingane ngobungozi bokuyibandakanya ocansini usayingane because kunama results awu 1 2 3 4 5 due to the fact ukuthi ngiyangasebenza nje kwa-HIV. So lezi zinto ngiyayi-understanda, ngiyazazi, but ngase ngithi whatever ngikwenza lokho angayifihleli ukuthi what is happening behind those long holes, because iy'ngane yes ziyalazi ijele, yes ziyalibuka ku-TV. Let me tell them ukuthi guys, this is real, this is facts, this is myth about prison. Prison kwenzeka kanje, and prison makwenzeka kanje kwenzeka kanje. Just nje ukuthi ngibaphe ukuthi noma wenze lokho kwenzayo ube nayo ipicture ukuthi hey lapha kuhamba kanje, wazi ukuthi lapha ngempela uzothi uyageza kuyinsipho kuthiwa icoshe, ngoba phela eshaweni awugezi wena mhlambe niba u6 yabo, kuzoye kuyinsipho nje kuthiwa icoshe ube lenkinga. We must know all those things ukuthi kwenzakalani. So mfethu ngihambelile izikole, uNkulunkulu emuhle ukhona ubhuti wangisiza sayivula i-organization, ikhona manje organization nginayo, but ke noma ikhona ngisane challenge because phela fanele ngiyofaka imali ibe ne-bank account yayo ukuze makwenzeka umuntu ethole ukusizakala somewhere sikwazi ukuthi okay naku la engafaka khona uxhaso yabo. Nakhona ngivulwa amehla abantu because mina ngibuyele ejele ngayela ngento ekoleni, because I remember isikole ngaso sokuqala isezwe lethu, because that was my first high school. I went there and luckily the principal yakhona he knows me better. Wathi ayibusiphiwe so into kanje, and uyayazi ukuthi ngisukaphi kanjani. So wanginikeza islot ngakhuluma nezingane za-enjoy into engangisho zayithanda. Then from there umuntu akaza abheke emuva, ngawelele emaleni where I was the president yesikole khona, ngayenza lento yathakaselwa, feedback was very good. So I was like this is working. Ngase ngithola umuntu othi yazi impilo lento ukuze ibe successful ngempela organization mfana, ngase ngiyayivula ke njengoba isikhona. So ngiyenzile ngaze ngahlangana nojele, lo jele ushuthi naye uhambela izikole sahlangana awusiphiwe kanti uboshiwe kanti because mangifike egele I have to reveal myself. So nje futhi sesahlangana lo mama uyakhona umfundisi. So we started ukuthi uMamjili usebenza eMedium E, sihamba naye izikole kuMamjili, sihamba izikole until ngize ngihlangane nethimba la Department of Customer Service elisebenza vele ne-community yabo, eliyidingayo vele iziboshwa eziphuma ngaphansi ezenza lento engangiyenza. So nabo ke bangi-invite because banalento ukuthi vele because ngisasayini bale ngilanda ngihambe nabo sihambele izikole bangi-introduce bangichaze because abanye babengigada ngaphakathi, they know me very well, and you won't believe khona bangangithembi namanje even now khona bangangithembi basane beef njalo bodwa. SAPS now uyafika uzongilanda la ungithathe mawunezinto laba base-ofisini leli lomphakathi yabo, sothi ngihamba nabo uyohlala ama-stakeholders athize, but nje mfethu i-exposure online senginetworkile nabantu sebayangazi abantu aba-right, people do believe in me. Maybe sengibuya ngisho eMavarsity MUT Mangosuthu, I am Westville campus, I've been there go Steve Biko FET college, but high school nje mfethu iwona engidila nawo kakhulu, including ama-primary because ama-primary isikhathi samanje ley'ngane zisemathakse zibaqala zincane. Ama-primary iyona target market yami kwayisho luMax, ibona abantu engiba-targethe kakhulu because isuwakubona le nto, understand. So umuntu ufika ka-school vele, you understand, but ema-high school ngisuke ngibavimbela ukuthi bazi ukuthi baye ema-tertiary, and ema-tertiary leyanto istyle ukudakwa ama-drugs. I think now ukubona etawuni ema-rest mfethu izinto zenzekani sike sibone emafonini. So we are preparing them ukuthi guys hlobani ngo-1 2 3 4 5 because yonke lento eyenzakalayo ni-end up esejele. You can smoke ama-drugs, you can drink alcohol, you can do this and do that, but ekugcineni yonke lento ikwenzisa into e-wrong because mina mfethu awondayo okwami ukuganga into yangiphusha kakhulu ama-drugs akuphusha, understand. And manje maningi adayiswa njengoswidi, thina ngcono besibhema ingidi kwazi ukuthi idayiswa le kude. Hayi manje ikhona nekhona ihunga, ikhona nekhona incika, ikhona nekhona amazene, ikhona nekhona intasho, understand. So lento sengathi isizitayela and ibulala isizwe bafethu. Ngeke ngithi ngisho iphala lingcono ngoba uyalibona ukuthi iphala lingcolile. Yabo nama-drugs uthothi umuntu clean, especially lawa akwenza uthi wena mina ngiyakwazi ukucontrol i-drug. Ayingozi kakhulu ma bro. Ile abantu ovela uzwe kuthiwa ekuseni umuntu uvuke efile, umuntu uvuke ukuthi so organization yami mfethu iphusha lokho. Then ngokuthi I was a prominent soccer player, ibhola ngidlayile kakhulu. So mfethu and ngidevelophiwe because ngisuke nalo at an early age. Njoba duza lo ngiganga ibhola bengaze ngiliyeke. Muzokhumbula ngisho ngibalekile ngisegoli bengicashe ngalo, yabo. So kwanabafethu uma ngifika la kasi because njengoba ngitshethi ngahamba ka-A ngoba ngibuke i-situation ukuthi le ngeke ngikwazi ukuyimela, ngazohlala emzini ka-anti. So uma ngifika la ngahamba ngithi ngiyobuka enye intwana eThekwini yami, yabo. iThekwini nje ithi iyodlala ngokuthi iThekwini yangazi ibhola ngakidlala, yabo. Ngahamba ngithi ngiyafika ngiyoyibuka le ntwana, ngayibuza kumnikazi we-team ukuthi awu ngizobheka usibani bandla kanje. Ukuthi njengoba ngifika nami ngigqoke into zebhola futhi and ngigqoke lezi ezaka-professional mina, understand. Ngigqokise ibhulukwe le-arrows nje ngiyisethi. So kusho ukuthi usikhulu wathi uma nginothisa wapick up uthi hayibo lo muntu ogqoke izinto zebhola hawu mfethu unjani, sho uyadlala ibhola. Ngathi hawu kakhulu ubudlalelani, hayi ngimchazele. Athi hayi mfethu yazi la sidinga umuntu oyosikhokhela nazi iy'ntwana, yabo. Ngathi hayi mfethu ayikho inkinga but bengicela ukubuye ngikubone, ngamnikeza inamba yami. So we engage kanjalo, saxhumana wangitshethi bajima apha abafana. Ngafika ka-F kukuthi lo muntu naye uhlakaniphile. Ngafika ngizomuntu esisazoxoxa usazongi-introduce yena, yabo. Bengifika lapha ngashayelwa izandla iy'ntwana ngangitshela amagama azo zonke because wayeyilande zonke nje, yabo. Wangithula guys, this is our new coach, uzosisiza kanje ubedlalela ukuthi nje hayi mfethu because iy'ntwana zaselokishini. So nami ngafika mfethu ukuthi nje ibhola vele ngiyalazi, angingabi nomona lento mfethu angiyinikeze into information, yabo. So from there I grab with body heads. Kanti ngithola i-team vele ephethwe abantu abane-vision, abantu vele abane-plan because this is not just about soccer, it's a project. Because asigcini ngokuyidlalisa ibhola kuphela thina iy'ngane. I-team yethu umlast dominant, sinama-division awu-5 from under 11 to under 19. So we don't just play soccer only because we know ukuthi le ngane kuyenzeka engibe successful sekufanele isha ama-trial ngiyalinganisa, isiyenze interview ngesingisi ayikwazi. So sibuye sishayise ngishaba i-reading, sinikeza amabhuku zifunde because mejima siyayihlukanisa ngithi ama-division aney'nsuku zawo, mhlawumbe siyithathe siyivale somewhere ngishaye ngo-crime awareness now and then because ezinye njengo-under 19 khonto mhlawumbe abanye sebabhema, yabo. So the more sidlane nabo ibhola the more sixoxa nabo and ethu mfethu i-team umdlalo ofelile uyaye ukudlala. That's a rule, asikunegotiate lokho. Wathuka omunye umdlali siyakuxosha. I-bullying I mean siyakumisa, uyathuka uyabhulisha umdlali uyalwa siyakumisa for 6 months, uyabona ukuthi unyaka wonke loyo. Futhi nje siyazama ukuthi sithi badlalisa ibhola siyabafundisa ngala and sinalento yokuthi sivele sifike bekuhlambe khona abawu4 abafunde eShaka. Let's just a typical example. Yes, batshele bakwazi sithi neguyude eShaka yimina esikhulu sizobheka ukuthi how they behave at school. Kuyadlalwa phela umgulukudu ohlupha esikoleni uzodlala umlast dominant, yabo. Thina sifuna lento successful. So i-team yethu iyatholakala kona wonke ama-page ongawacabanga e-social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Umlast dominant uthola everything. We are busy nje now sifuna ukubenzela i-outing. Khona igama lakhona ngiyalikhohlwa libephumile nje bonke, just nje ukuthi si-motivate iy'ntwana because kule season epheli le team engikhuluma ngayo i-team ya 2024, but ama-achievement ayo so huge. Our players zonke sibenzela itifiketi serious.
Akade ngithi gogo.
Yeah, so
kade ungakaqedi.
So mfethu sibenzela itifiketi to motivate iy'ntwana, sabanikeza amakhaphu, uyacabanga sibanikeza ngisha ama-medal bengawine lutho, just to motivate them. Sine group yama-parents, ingane yakho ukuthi iyadlala fanele kusho wena wazi ukuthi kwenza ngale nini, asifuni ukuthi uzwe ngathi, and i-serious mfethu yonke into accurate. Sinama-uniform amaningi kakhulu, nami nje awami maningi as a coach, but we-round off nje mfethu. I'm so blessed ukuthi umndeni wami uyangizonda lo waka-A because iwona owenza ukuthi ngiphushe more, you understand, and kumnandi ngoba angiwuzondi mina, iwona ozonda mina, but I'm happy ngoba imina, omalume, umphakathi uyazi ukuthi bangizondelani, yabo. Nokubonga nje mfethu to be given ithuba nginikezwa ilamajida engitrusta ngey'ntwana because iy'ngane zebhola mfethu zenza izinto ey'ningi, yabo. Iy'ngane zebhola manje ziyareshwa, ziyanyukubezwa, kwenziwa izinto ey'ningi, iy'ngane ziyadayiswa iy'ngane and so forth, and wena uzothemba futhi ibhantinti futhi, understand. So ngithi pick up nje kubafethu umfundisi uMr Ngidi, ngithi pick up usikhulu wami uMr Mdluli, uSiboniso. Those guys they gave me a platform emnandi mfethu ukuthi nami ngipiwe showcase your talent, and they trust me, and bangisiza futhi ndakwezinye izinto njengomuntu ongasipani. So nje mfethu kuye kubuhlungu, ngangaphathanga kabi nje ngelanga mfethu, bengithatha bengise ey'tolo bethi angicosha into zokudla, yabona, yabo, indoda usuyondliwa, yabo, sekubuhlungu, but bangitshela mfethu le nto ingakuphathi kabi le nto, yabo. We are trying to assist you, we understand your situation, and uhlala nengane nekade uyibona, and ingane yami idlalela bona futhi, idlala khona ku-under 11, and iyalidlala ibhola, ayidlali, understand, like father like son. So nje mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu, and ngibonge nje ne-opportunity mfethu ukuthi onginika yona nawe, just ukuthi lento ngiyikhuluma because sometimes we don't say such things, siyivayela ngaphakathi. I think nami mhlawumbe ngizoyithola i-closure nalo because nami bengiye ngibadinelwe ekhaya, but I think lokho esibenako today ngibe nento ukuthi let it be, let me not blame them for what they did. Angiblame mina ukuthi ngiboshelwe yini ukuze nginikeze labantu ipart yokuphinde bangene again. Ngiyabonga bhuti kakhulu mfowethu.